In this video, I'm going to show you a trick to catch people secretly checking your Instagram highlights. What you can do is add a random picture to your highlights and place a reaction sticker on it. Position the sticker exactly where people normally tap to move forward, but make sure it blends in so it's not noticeable. When someone taps, they'll trigger the sticker, and you'll be able to see who interacted with it. It's a simple way to find out who's really watching your highlights. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.